Today we want to use Photoshop oil paint filter and convert images to oil paint like digital painting artworks. It's really easy and useful for low quality images. If you want to test this tutorial, you can download image from description links. We didn't use any plugins. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. Go to Filter menu, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. Set amount on 200%. Click OK. Go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint. Now just follow my lead. Stylization. Adjust the style of the strokes, ranging from a daubed look at 0 to smooth strokes at 10. Cleanliness. Adjust the length of the strokes, ranging from shortest and choppiest at 0 to longest and fluid at 10. Scale. Adjust the relief or apparent thickness of the paint, moving from a thin coat at 0 to a thick coat, giving luscious Vincent van Gogh style paint globs, at 10. Bristle detail. Adjusts how much of the paintbrush hair indentation is apparent, moving from soft at 0 to leaving strong grooves at 10. Angle. Adjust the incidence angle of the light, not the brush stroke. This setting is important if you are incorporating the oil painting into another scene. Shine. Adjust the brightness of the light source and the amount of bounce off the paint surface. Done. Click OK. Now we need to add some glow lights in image. Just make a new layer. Change color to white and pick brush tool. Right-click on screen and open brush options. Set hardness on 0, and left-click on screen. Pick move tool and click on transform options. Change light color size and move to better position. Set layer mood on screen. Now make new layer and pick brush tool again. This time change color to purple. I use this color code. Left click on screen and change layer mood on screen. Pick move tool and click on transform options. Change light color size and find to better position. Make a copy by hold Alt button and left click and drag. Well done. Thanks for watching and subscribe digigraphic.net. In next tutorial you learn how to make lens flares in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.